In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit Steam Family. We'll walk through exactly where to click in the Steam app so you can turn off Family View and remove shared devices or accounts, all in a clear, simple flow. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage so you have the right permissions to make changes. Once you're in the Steam client, look to the very top left corner and click the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings to open your main preferences window. In the Settings window, find and select the Family tab. This is where Steam keeps all of the family-related controls, including Family View and Family Library sharing. Think of this as your hub for everything related to sharing and parental controls. Inside the Family tab, you'll see options like Manage Family Library Sharing or Manage Family View. If Family View is currently enabled, it can restrict what you can change, so start there. Click Disable Family View and follow the on-screen prompt to confirm. This step unlocks the rest of the family settings so you can fully exit family sharing without restrictions. Next, let's remove any shared devices or authorized accounts tied to your library. In the Family section, locate the list of devices and accounts that have been authorized for family library sharing. Find the ones you no longer want to share with and click Revoke. This removes their access to your game library from those devices or accounts. Go through the list carefully so you only revoke what you intend, and remember that you can always reauthorize later if you change your mind. At this point, with Family View disabled and sharing access revoked, you've effectively exited Steam Family sharing. Your account and library are back under your sole control, and those devices or accounts will no longer be able to launch your shared games. If you run into issues finding the right menu, seeing the Family tab, or you're unsure about the status of an authorization, head to the Help menu at the top of the Steam client and open Steam Support. Support can guide you through account-specific questions and provide troubleshooting tailored to your setup. That's it quick, thanks for watching.